hindi matutuloy yung review, yung performance review ng Whitesnaps cloth diaper. Kasi poop ng poop yung baby ko. Wala pang 1 hour, napupoop na siya agad. Nasa peanut butter stage yung poop ng baby ko ngayon. But sa paglalaba, hindi naman siya mahirap labhan, hindi mahirap tanggalin kasi AWJ yung kanyang inner lining. AWJ is para siyang jersey, yung butas-butas na jersey, para siyang ganon. Yung nagsisilbing stay dry cloth for our baby's bum. So, sa performance niya naman, doon sa last diaper na pinusuot ko kay Adi, umabot naman siya ng almost 4 hours. And when I removed the insert, I am shook. The insert is very absorbent. Even though 4 hours nang ginamit ni baby, hindi pa rin siya fully soaked. Okay, so medyo dry siya. I don't know kung anong tela yung gamit nila, but on their Shopee description, it is cotton terry. It is still dry. It is still so dry. So nagdududa ako kung kung umihi ba yung baby ko or not. But so for 4 hours use on other brand of cloth diapers, usually soaked na yun kay baby Adi. Since my baby is light to medium wetter, we still use the cloth diapers default insert. So, kung microfiber lang. Kung cotton terry, yung trifold na 2 layers cotton terry lang, yun lang. So, I think maganda talaga yung insert nila since it is very absorbent. For their snaps naman, unlike to other cloth diapers na meron siyang 3 snaps pababa, they don't have it, but when you fold it, downright snap ata yung tawag nun. Basta i-fold mo siya, tapos may snap siya sa loob, tapos yun yung gagamitin mo, ay small pa si baby. For baby Adi naman, he is 2 months old. Fit naman yung smallest setting sa kanya ng Whitesnaps. Kahit nung nag-poop siya, wala namang leak or I bought Whitesnaps cloth diaper on their official Shopee page. So, ipa-follow mo yung Facebook page nila. Doon sila nagpo-post ng updates kung may stock ba sila sa Shopee. So, pag may stock sila sa Shopee, tsaka ka na mag-check out. So, even though medyo matagal yung, medyo ubusan yung stocks nila, pero once na nakapag-check out ka, they will ship it right away. Hindi sila matagal mag-ship ng parcel. And nagsisend sila ng picture before nila i-ship sa'yo. So, for 170 pesos, meron ka ng isang cloth diaper at may kasama na ring insert, na cotton terry insert. So, nag-chat ako sa Whitesnaps seller sa Shopee and nakwento niya na yung 4-year-old cloth diaper niya is napamana niya pa sa pamangkin niya and in still very good condition. So, isipin mo yun, yung 170 pesos mo, aabot siya ng 4 years or more. Depende lang sa pag-aalaga mo. So, for Whitesnaps cloth diaper, I think it is a very good deal. I will rate Whitesnaps cloth diaper 10 over 10. For 170 pesos, meron ka ng cute prints of cloth diapers plus inserts. Yay! So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sana may matutunan kayo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below kung may mga questions kayo about cloth diapers. I will be willing to help. Bye!